Imagine to have installed your security camera once and never ever cared about it running out of juice again. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her engineering career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am reviewing this camera. This is TP-Link Tapo MagCam 4K Solar. And yes, this one is coming with a solar panel. So once again, you will never run out of juice. Guys, let's get started with a detailed review of this outdoor smart camera, which films every single thing in 4K quality and has a solar panel. Let's get started. If you want a wire-free camera with premium image quality and almost zero maintenance, well, this is the TP-Link Tapo MagCam 4K Solar. This has become one of the easiest outdoor setups I have ever installed. The camera records in full 4K resolution, which is 4 times clearer than the standard 1080 pixels. Details like faces, license plates, and small movements are noticeably sharper. And thanks to the Starlight sensor and the built-in spotlight, you get full color night vision instead of a grainy black and white footage. Power is handled extremely well. The included solar panel can power the camera with about 45 minutes of direct sunlight per day. And if you go through long periods without sun, the built-in 10,000 mAh battery can keep the camera running for up to 200 days, depending on the usage. Once it's installed, you are done. There's no any need ever to be worried about the juice in your camera. The installation is simple because the camera attached to the mount magnetically. You can instantly adjust angles or reposition it without any tools needed. It also supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is great if you have a large house and want flexibility with range and speed. Just like the Hybrid Cam Duo, this camera also includes free AI detection, so you will get smarter alerts for people and vehicles without needing a monthly subscription. So no hidden costs. And there is a 24/7 time-lapse feature that captures moments even if they do not trigger the motion detection. It's great for monitoring construction progress, gardens, weather, or just daily activity around your property. So this camera can also create content for you. The camera is IP66 water resistant, so it's built for heat, rain, snow, and dust. It also works with Google Home and Alexa, so you can pull the live feed onto a smart display hands-free. If you want a camera with 4K video quality, solar charging, smart alerts, and an installation that takes only a few minutes, this is the best option out there. Guys, the link to the TP-Link Tapo MagCam 4K Solar is in the description box down below to this video of mine. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Please let me know, what do you think? What type of a camera do you use? So guys, I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discount codes, any type of promotions, sales, and so very on. You will find it all there. Direct link plus any possible way to save your money. And who loves to pay more? No one. At least I don't. Let me know if you do. I mean, do you want to know my Zelle? So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.